You gonna get up there?
It's hard.
It's hard. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Whoa. You're heavy.
You're stuck.
Go swim over to that one. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Ow, what? It hurts. Move it away. Move it away.
Help me, Grammy.
Help me, Grammy. Bring it over here.
Do it.
You do it? Can you do it?
It's hard.
It's hard. Got it. Get your leg up there.
Huh?
Get your leg up there. You got it. You did it. You got the handles over there. Hold on to the handle. Hold on to the handle.
I got the Rachel. You know. She's got off work a little bit ago and kids are at Pam's house.
You did it. Whoa. 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 Boy, you're pretty good. That was good. Good job. Oh no! Oh no!
All that work and then you fall down. Help me!
Help me!
Help me! Whoops! Sorry.
Help me!
No.
Went out now?
That little dot on your foot? That little dot on your foot hurts?
Ooh, wow.
What do you see?
Oh, a bug. It's a spider one, huh? It's a spider.
Boy, she's awful curious about that kind of stuff, isn't she?
Yeah.
Oh,
wow.
That's
yucky.
water.
Water on it. Yes, but leave it alone. That's better. Because I'll lick it off once you move the leg.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Are you going?